Go get it. Get it. Go get him. Get it. Go get it. Shh. Quit that. Go get him over there. Over there. Over there. Oh my God, it was so fun. She was way up on top of that thing over there and over there digging and going crazy. It was so funny. There she goes. Look at this. Look at, she's so deep in there. Look at, oh my God, she can barely go. Look at, watch her. Oh, she'll dig, dig, dig. I want her to wear herself out. What is she after? I don't know. Look at her go. Let her come. Let her come. She's so funny. Here, look at her. Oh, she's like a jet. And then dig, dig, dig. Look at that. Climb the mountain. There she goes again. Okay, this is probably boring. She's just so funny. Makes me laugh. My neighbor blows my snow, and he went in this little ways right here. That's all the further he could get. And she's like destroying everything. Oh my God. She's gonna start barking and stuff. Okay, that's enough. That's enough. Don't destroy the whole snow. The backyard. Oh, for God's sake. Well, that'll wear her out for a little while. I'm going to get her in the house. I hate this winter. It's terrible. Oh my gosh.